Let's turn your tricycle into a Mini. Remove one of the axle nuts with an Allen key 4 and take out the wheel. Take out the tricycle axle and spacer and remove the second wheel. Remove the black spacers from the wheel hub. Insert the bigger black spacers into the remaining wheel. Add one metal ring onto the axle and loosely add one of the wheel nuts. Hang the wheel in the rear fork and push the mini axle through the holes. Loosely add the second nut on the other side and fasten them both. Keep and store the tricycle items safely in case you want to revert the bike back into a tricycle. Now your bike is ready to hit the road. Have fun and let us know if you need any help.